So today I'm about to show you how to fix Epic Games error E1003, and the purpose of this video is to help you fix this error when Epic Games fails to install, update, or launch properly. This error is usually caused by corrupted local files or a broken cache that Epic Games is trying to load. The fix we're going to do is simple, safe, and works for most users without needing advanced tools. Let's get into the steps. So first, we need to reset the files that are set to Epic Games. To do this, go to your search bar, type run, then open it. Click OK. Then inside the run window, type %local app data and %. Then click OK. This will open your local files folder. From here, click once inside the folder, then on your keyboard, press letter E. To quickly jump to folders is starting with letter E. Now, look for the folders named Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. Press and hold Ctrl-Shift, then select both of those folders. Right-click on them and then select Delete. Once those folders are deleted, close every application that's currently open, restart your PC, and let it fully boot back up. After restarting, try to open Epic Games again and see if the error is fixed. However, if still not working, the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. Go to the search bar, type uninstall, open, add or remove programs, find Epic Games from search bar, uninstall it, then restart your PC again before reinstalling it. And that's it. That's how you fix Epic Games error E1003 step by step. This method clears out corrupted files and resets the launcher so it can work properly again. If this video helped you out, please do like, subscribe, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.